I was talking with Brandon after class about the split view controller and how it works on the Plus devices, and there was this question specifically of, okay, there's this little recipe for how we say left item supplement back button, and why would we need to do that? And so here is the display mode button item for an iPhone 8 Plus, and this diagonal looking thing. Now, I have added into the storyboard, where over here is the storyboard. I've added into the storyboard another scene that I've wired up to that test button. So we'll zoom in just a bit here. So if we click on this test bar button item, it's going to just drop in a blank view controller over here. And so if I click on that over here, you can see it running. And what happens is I have both the display mode button item as well as the back button item. And if I were in that test view controller to say that they don't supplement, so let's rerun now. And it's working on launching. Okay, here we go. And I click on test. You see, it overrides the back button. So all I can do is that. And where's my back? Well, yeah, I'm toast. And that's why we say left item supplement back button true. By the way, this is a variant of what I had on the slides. Instead of doing an if let, I'm using optional chaining over here. And so I'm always setting that flag to true. And then if there's a split view controller, then we're assigning its display mode button item to the left bar button item. Otherwise, this assignment never happens. So, okay. So this is split view controller, just that. Hopefully this adds a little bit of intuition to the notion of why you're supplementing the back button item.